All right, folks, this is dangerous time. Danger, danger. We have two rotations. One right now is passing just over Highway 34 east of Creston right now. That has an observed tag on it, which means debris has been lofted up or it's been seen by somebody. But I don't know how you would see a rain-wrapped tornado unless you're in it. But there is a tornado over here by Creston somewhere. And then also, if you're up by Maxburg, take cover. That's moving from southwest to northeast. So people south of Winterset or even in Winterset need to be get their plans together, what they're going to do in case those sirens go off. You will not see this. I cannot emphasize this enough. You will not see this. Take cover and take it seriously. Trust me, I just about crapped my pants twice, putting myself in positions that I probably shouldn't have done, but I did. Take cover, please. Okay, people. Osceola, Murray, same thing. You guys do the same. It looks like what's happening is these little rotations pop up, but the one over here by Creston is by far the strongest. And here I got it. I think I got it now. That's going to be in rain. If that thing is on the ground, it is in rain. It is in rain, if not in front of us, for Creston. That's got to be it over there. What you were seeing on the side there, that's got to be it. I'm looking for damage right now at this point in time. I would be surprised not to see damage over here. But that tornado is wrapped in rain. I'm just on the backside of the couplet myself, or up, actually just a little bit north of the couplet. So take cover, guys. It is just important that you take cover. If you're in Winterset, south of Winterset, take cover. There is a couplet over by Maxburg heading from southwest to northeast. People on the south side of Des Moines, there. There's the wall cloud right there. There's that pup. There it is. There it is right there, guys. There's the tornado. There's the wall cloud right there over by Creston. This is a very dangerous situation. People in Osceola, people over. Oh, that's going to be a tornado on the ground. That tornado's on the ground, guys. That tornado is on the ground right in front of us. There it is. That's it. That's a tornado. That's it. There it is. That's the tornado. It's on the ground, guys. You are literally witnessing live a tornado right now. Just cross Highway 34. This is a dangerous situation. Take cover immediately. Take cover. You will not see this until it is too late. That is the tornado. It's heading north. Oh my God, Lord have mercy on people underneath that storm. Take cover. This is heading actually due north, guys. This is heading right up. This crossed literally right in front of this road right here. There is a tornado on the ground. Cross Highway 34. You are witnessing this live with me right now. And I am not getting any closer than this. There it is right there, guys. There it is. There it is. There's the tornado right now. It's moving north. It's moving north over. It's just crossed Highway 34. It's heading north. It's heading north. a big tornado, guys. Big tornado. Big tornado. Take cover. We're chasing from a safe spot. I'm in a safe spot. It's not going to come back at me. It's going to be right over this hill when we get around it. You're going to see it again. It's a wide tornado, multiple vortex, which means that it's going to send out multiple little things. It's going to suck things. It's going to just suck things out. Those little suction vortices are very powerful. Very powerful. I'll get up here where you can get a better shot of it. Again, this cross Highway 34. I don't see any damage, which is good, but this is a very large rotation right now. So if you're anywhere along Highway 169 south of Des Moines, take cover immediately. Lorimer, all those places, Cromwell, take cover. Take cover. Holy cow. What a... Oh my God, what a storm. People south of Winterset, oh my gosh. Nope, 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 nope. I don't want to, I'm getting caught in the circulation. I don't want to be. We got, okay, here's where it crossed the road, guys. This is where it crossed the highway, right here. This is where it crossed the highway. We're on Highway 34. Oh my gosh, gotta be careful, power lines. Power lines down. Gotta be careful, power lines down, pull snap. Oh dear Lord. Power lines are down. Oh dear Lord. Oh my. Oh my goodness. I'm going into rescue mode, guys. See you later. Bye-bye.